Hey guys, it's Mrs. Phillips again. I wanted to go ahead and continue our discussion on galaxies. We just finished up with our spiral galaxies and talking about how we live in a spiral galaxy called the Milky Way. Okay, now I want to go ahead and move on, and we're going to talk about elliptical galaxies. Take a look at this picture. You see a nice round, bright shape right here. This is an elliptical galaxy. Okay. Elliptical is just oval, right? If you study shapes in math, you know that an ellipse is an oval. And so these galaxies are elliptical in shape to varying degrees. Some of them will look more round like circles, some of them will be more oval. The important thing to note is that they have very clean lines, okay, and they are symmetrical. Symmetrical just means that if I fold it in half, both sides are going to be the same. Okay, these types of galaxies are the largest type and the smallest type. Okay, but they are also considered the oldest. Remember whenever I said there are nice clean lines right here? That means that there's not a lot of gas, not a lot of dust. And so, because of that, we don't have any new stars forming, right? We need the gas and the dust to make the baby stars. If there is no gas and dust, that means it's all already been used up. And so, all of my stars here are going to be older. And so, that's how we know that elliptical galaxies are the oldest galaxies. Okay, this next type, irregular galaxies, these are the types of galaxies that don't fit in with anything else, right? They are not elliptical, there's no clean line. If you look at this picture, you can see there are no arms, right? Whenever a galaxy has arms, then you know that it is a spiral galaxy. But this one does not have anything. And so it's just kind of chaotic, it's wild and free. It is not symmetrical. So if you fold it in half, each side is going to be different. Okay, this could all happen because of two reasons. One, it's very young, right? So it's a very young galaxy. It has lots of gas and dust everywhere, and new stars are forming, and lots of babies here. Or it could be that a couple of galaxies have collided. And that's actually eventually what's going to happen with our galaxy. We are on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. Right now we are a spiral, but after we collide, we will become an irregular. Okay? So that's a really cool, concept to think about. We won't be around then, but all the galaxies in the universe are in motion and they are moving through space. Okay. Inside of galaxies, we have a whole bunch of different things. We've got stars, we've got gas and dust, we've got planetary systems, and nebulas. Okay. Stars and gases, or I'm sorry, gas and dust are what we need to make the stars, right? That is called a nebula. Whenever we have this giant cloud of gas and dust, that's where those suns are forming. We like to think of those as little baby star nurseries, right? That's what a nebula is, and I really want you to remember that term, nebula. Planetary system, just like ours, right? We live on Earth, we're on a planet, we're inside the Milky Way galaxy. Galaxies have planets. Our sun is part of our solar system. We are in the Milky Way galaxy, right? We know that stars, which are like our sun, right? We are in galaxies. So galaxies can contain all kinds of things. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause here, and on my next video, we will do a galaxy check.